Hi friends, my name is Shiti and I teach children how to read and write English and Setswana. On today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about a split digraph. Sometimes we call split digraphs the magic E words or the silent E words. Now, when we say a split digraph, we are talking about words like this. They are called a split digraph because there is a letter that splits these two vowels. So when we read this split digraph word, it becomes k, a, cake. Or sometimes we just say the A says its letter name, not its letter sound. So it doesn't say A, it doesn't say E, it doesn't say E, it doesn't say O. It's A, E, I, O. Let's read K, A, cake. That is the reason why we say this is a silent E. This is a silent E. So the next one is E, V, E, V, Eve. But when we use this method, it's going to be E, V, Eve. So this letter is splitting this E from this E, and the last E is always silent. Now, this word, it's not a sight word. You can actually break it down and read it like I, like. The last word is B, O, N, B, O, N, bone. Did you understand? If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on another video. Bye.